Is Mr. Audrey and Patrick. I'm Audrey Patterson.
Agus is Mr. Davie Davie Patterson.
Hij is een poster, ik heb een voerig aan een tuinuit en een Argyll. I work in Lornan Islands Hospital in Oban as the anaesthetics and recovery sister and as an advanced nurse practitioner in chronic pain management.
I'm a retired police officer and I'm now working at Oban High School as a classroom assistant. I enjoy gardening. Earlier this year I installed these raised beds which help the plants grow. So far I've planted glassreach, vegetables, suan lair, strawberries, luyan, herbs, agus florican, flowers.
When Davie's working in the garden, I like to come out here and read a book. Still mliorichen, muechkrin halapa. I first started learning Gaelic when Davie was posted to Islay in the late 80s.
I started learning Gaelic when Audrey and I joined our local choir, Kosher Gaelic High in Ilch.
And a horan at Jean Bio room in the
Singing helps us to use our Gaelic more often, and we're going to sing a duet now. Buinderanich, Tuv Loch Eche, and it's cutting bracken along the shores of Loch Etter.
Cumishin orn ag Júnsacha agus a Shane and Gaelic.
Sláinte.